Everyone, welcome back to the channel. It is March 6th and we are kind of taking a break from the main rivers right now. It's been really hard fishing. It's hit or miss. I do have my good days, but today we're just going to fish this little tributary that runs off the Tennessee River, and I'm here right now and it's literally bankside fishing. No boats needed. We're just going to be fishing right here in this big eddy, this big pool. There's some current that's a little bit upstream right here. I'm just waiting for the rain to die down a little bit and I'm gonna go try to catch some fish. And usually there's fish that are stacked up in here, and I just wanted to take a little break from the main river, kind of come out here, catch some largemouth. There's some big smallmouth, there's striper that run through here, there's crappie, white bass, yellow bass, everything comes in here. And it's so shallow everywhere. When you can find these big deep pools, they just load up. You can catch 100 fish in a day, and I'm hoping that's kind of what's going to happen today, but we're going to find out. And please hit that subscribe button at the end if you enjoy the video, and let's get after some fish. So we made it down to the bank. The rain is starting to let up a little bit. It's pretty rainy still, but it's tolerable. So let's make our first cast. The water is a little bit murky right now, but I threw on this white jig head and just a little swim bait, 3-inch Keitech. Seems to be doing the trick lately. And let's just make our first cast, see what happens. Just gonna slow roll it, get it close to the bottom, and we're just twitching it through here. Maybe some pauses, let it sit on the bottom, kind of get it back up. Oh, there's a fish. Fish on. I don't know what we got here. Oh, that's a nice little, what is that? Oh, it's a white bass. Sweet. First fish, white bass. Beautiful. Well, I knew there'd be some fish in here, but I mean, if it was a little bit more clear, I would probably catch 10 times more fish if it was a little bit clearer. It's so murky. But white bass wanted it. Oh, there was a hit. There's a fish. It feels really tiny, whatever it is. What is that? Is that a yellow bass or something? Yeah, that's a little yellow bass. That's a tiny little guy. Oh, there's fish out there. There's a fish. Oh, that's a big fish, guys. That's a big fish. Holy cow. This is a monster fish. I don't know what it is. Holy cow. I caught that. This is a big fish. Is it a drum or something, maybe? Yeah, it's just a drum. I thought I just hooked like a big smallmouth or something, but that's just a big drum. Well, it's still cool. It's not a bad looking drum. I don't know how I'm going to get him up on this bank. He's too heavy. I do have my net with me. I don't think I can get this fish in. He's too heavy. I think I'm only rocking 6-pound line right now. I'm going to have to slide him up on something, or I'll just grab my net real quick. I'm gonna do something crazy. I'm going to go up to my truck, let my line out, and grab my net. I know that sounds crazy, but I'm gonna try it. maybe kind of get them over here a little bit. All right, I'm just gonna let him chill out right here on the bank. All right, here we go. All right, got the net. I did it. It's kind of a stubby net though. All right, I can get him over here. Off the stump. There we go. This is going to be my netting spot because there's some huge. Oh my gosh, this is just such a stubby net for this. All right, we got him. Cool. Get that hook out. Wow, he was not coming off. Cool. There's a little drum. I've caught a 15-pound drum before, so this is a baby, but still like 4 pounds or something like that. Get a release on that guy. He's gone. Sweet. Another species. There's a fish. Oh, that's a big fish. Big fish. That's a big fish, buddy. Might be another drum. But he is pulling, man. Holy cow. This feels bigger than that other drum that I caught. I mean, it's kind of fighting like a drum. Man, he is pulling. Could be, I mean, there's big catfish in here too. Oh my gosh, he's taking drag. Yeah, it's another big drum. Oh yeah, he's taking some drag. I mean, it's not too much bigger than that last drum. Oh yeah, he's a little bigger. He's probably about 6 pounds. Yeah. And I put my net back away too. I wish there was an easier way to land this fish. Yeah, I'm not pulling 6-pound line with a 6-pound fish up on the bank. There's no way. Okay, I'm gonna have to get my net again. All right, I ran back up to the truck to grab my net so we can get him up the current and then bring him back down. Got him. Yeah, that's bigger than the last one. All right. Come on, Mr. Drum. There we go. Look at that big hog. That's a big old drum. Cool. Yeah, that's probably about a 6-pound drum. Imagine they get 15 pounds. I mean, these things get really big here. And that's a big fight with just one of these. So imagine like 15 pounds. All right, that was fun. All right, we got a big old drum on. This is not the same drum, but it's another big drum.
Yeah.
This is definitely not the same, dude. The other one was way bigger. Way bigger. But this is a big drum. Oh, yeah. That could be about a 10-pound. Dude, was that the big drum that I thought I was snagged on a minute ago?
Exactly.
Because it was moving. I was like, "Whoa, that's a snag, though." And then this felt just like a snag. I got my net. Oh, I got 6-pound line on here, dude. I am not bringing this up. I netted him from the log a minute ago down there. You might be able to get him. Look at the size of that little beast.
Shit, that ain't no 10,000.
No, that's not 10. This is kind of a stubby net.
You're fine. You can walk him. Look at that cloaca.
Look at this thing. That is a chunk. Jesus. Okay. Yeah. Sweet. That was a big one.